Hey guys, today I'm here with the new Grille from Xprite. Installation is pretty simple. What you're going to want to do is remove all of the tabs off from the top of the Grille, then pull out the bottom to release the clips. Once you've got that off, you can unplug your turn signal lights and take off your stock Grille. Then you're going to want to install your turn signal lights onto your new Grille and screw on the hole covers here. Once that's done, just push the bottom to snap in the clips. Make sure everything's all lined up good. Then push everything in, re-plug in your turn signal lights, and reattach all of your tabs, and you'll be good to go.